Hi everyone, myself Anjali. I'm studying second year MSc at Manasa Gangotri College, Mysuru. Today I'm going to explain about guided transmission media. Definition: transmission medium is a channel through which data or signals can be transmitted from sender to receiver. Data is transmitted through the electromagnetic signals. Transmission media are also called communication channels. Guided media. It is a wired transmission media in which data signals are guided along physical path, that is, within a wire, also known as bounded or wired media. Examples are twisted pair cable, coaxial cable, and fiber optic cable. Twisted pair cable. A pair of wires which are made of copper and are twisted with each other is known as twisted pair cable. A set of four pairs of twisted wires are bundled form cable. The wires are twisted to reduce crosstalk and electrical interference. It was invented by Alexander Graham Bell in 1881. Its types are unshielded twisted pair cable, shielded twisted pair cable, unshielded twisted pair cable. The unshielded twisted pair cable is a guided transmission media which is used for transmitting both data and voice. It consists of four pairs of color coded wires twisted around each other. The wires are twisted to prevent electromagnetic interference. Cat5 cable with RJ45 connector is commonly used with unshielded. Shielded twisted pair cable. The shielded twisted pair cable is a guided transmission media which is quite expensive than unshielded twisted pair cable. It has a foil shield that covers the wires. The foil shield adds a layer of protection against electromagnetic interference leaking into and out of the cable. Shielded twisted pair cable are more expensive than unshielded twisted pair cable but less susceptible to noise. Application: twisted pair cables are used in telephone lines to provide voice and data channels. The local loop, the line that connects subscribes to the central telephone office, commonly consists of unshielded twisted pair cable. The DSL lines that are used by the telephone companies to provide high data rate connections also use the high bandwidth capability of unshielded twisted pair cables. Coaxial cable. A cable which is used with single-ended single reference where the central conductor carries the data signals is called coaxial cable. The connectors used with coaxial cables are BNC, T connectors and terminators in bus topology. 10 Mbps is the maximum speed of coaxial cable. Coaxial cable is used in cable television. It is preferred for long distance telephone lines as well. Fiber optic cable. Fiber optics cable is one of the costlier cables used in data communication which uses light to carry a data signal through the cable. The connectors used in fiber optic are screw mounted adapters, spring loaded twist SC and FC. It is costlier to maintain, produce and install. Fiber optic cable do not get affected by electromagnetic interference. Works for both analog as well as digital signals. Point to point one-way communication generally uses the cable. Advantages: higher bandwidth, immunity to electromagnetic interference, resistance to corrosive materials, lightweight, less signal attenuation. Disadvantages: installation and maintenance, unidirectional light propagation, cost. Thank you.